Hey guys, so I am going to go over this problem, which is probably on your assignment and you need help with it, so here I am. So which expression is equivalent to 45/15 m negative 6p to v square, v raised to the 12th power over 15m negative 2 to the power negative 2, p to the power of 8, v to the power negative 4. So what we have to do is simplify a piece at a time. So I'm going to take my fractional part with my numbers, and I'm going to think to myself, how do I simplify this? So in order for me to simplify this, I could always use my calculator, which I think is the best way to go because you don't have to put too much thought into it. So I will be putting in 45 over 15. You can do 45 divided by 15. And if you notice, when I put this in, it gives me 3. Now this is 3 whole, and because this is all a fraction, I'm going to put it over 1 because any whole value can be placed with the 1 as its denominator and it keep the same value no matter what. So now I'm going to go with the m's. Okay, when it comes to variables with exponents that are being divided, we have to do a subtraction of those exponents. So then this becomes m parentheses negative 6 minus, this is a minus. Now I'm going to take away the negative 2 from negative 6. So it's negative 6 minus negative 2. So in my parenthesis, in my calculator, I'm going to just figure out what that is. I'm going to place in my calculator negative 6 minus parentheses negative 2. And then it'll give me the answer. So I do that in there. Now remember, negative is this little white key at the bottom. So I'm going to use this white key, negative 6 minus negative 2. Now remember, minus is over here, so don't get those two confused or else it will not work. I'm going to press enter. So when I put this into my calculator, I put negative 6 minus negative 2. I get negative 4. So then my m value is raised to the negative 4 over 1, because the subtraction of exponents means you're dividing the top and the bottom. Okay, so the thing is that now this negative 4 would mean to flip this whole thing around. So then this becomes 1 over m raised to the 4th power. Okay, next I'm going to go with the p's. So I get, now, put this over here on this other side. So p squared, take away, we're going to take away these exponents. P parentheses 2 minus 8. So if I can't do that, I can always put it in my calculator. I'm going to do 2 minus 8. That's equivalent to negative 6. P raised to the negative 6. But we can have negatives as exponents, so I need to flip this around. 1 over p raised to the 6. Okay, and then now I got to do my v's. So I get v raised to the 12 minus, now negative 4 though. Negative 4. So I'm going to put that in my calculator. 12 minus negative 4. I get positive 16. V raised to the positive 16. Okay, the last and final step is to multiply all of my simplified parts. So I'm going to multiply all of these simplified parts. Okay, now remember, because there's no longer a fraction, we think of it as a whole and put a 1 underneath this one. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 over 1 times 1 over m raised to the 4 times 1 over p raised to the 6 times v 16 over 1. And I want you guys to do that, okay? I hope that helped.